Welcome back. So before proceeding, I just want to stress about why this data analysis feature in ChatGPT is very, very good. So let's say you're working on a data analysis project in your Python workbook or Jupyter workbook, and you encountered a problem. So you want to go back to ChatGPT and ask it to help you. Now doing this is just going to make you go back and forth between ChatGPT software and your local system and copy pasting between both of them. But with this feature, you're just like working along with it. So you put your data from the start and it works along with you. It shows you the Python code along the way. And it's always checking itself. So it always has a sanity check to make sure it's going on the right path. So anyways, let's just move on what we left with. So here we got that many entries, especially for the earlier years, appearing to be missing, indicating a lack of data for those years or region. So here I'm just going to assume that I have no idea what to do next, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT for some suggestions. So I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me some suggestions. So can you give me some suggestions to solve this? And let's see what it says. Okay, so ChatGPT responded. It told me handling missing values is a crucial step in data pre-processing. Here are some common strategies to handle missing data, especially in time series data like the one you have. So it gave us a couple of options: drop missing values, forward fill, backward fill, interpolation, statistical methods, and much more. Now, for the sake of this example, I'm just going to go with the drop missing values. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do this, to drop the missing values. Let's go ahead with step 1, which is drop missing values. Okay, so here ChatGPT actually misunderstood, and it said that by dropping missing values, we'll remove any rows, countries, or regions that have any N values for CO2 emissions in any of the years. Okay, guys, so previously ChatGPT gave us a different output than what we wanted. So it gave us that it removed the values, the null values from the rows. But we're more interested in the columns, which are the years. So I gave it the prompt to remove any year where all the values are null. So basically, if a column does not have any values at all, remove it. So it gave me an output. I've removed the columns, years, where all the values were null. The earliest year now is in the data set is 1990. So previously it was 1960. And the data set spans up to 2020. You can see that the columns from the year from 1960 to 1989, which had missing values for all the countries, had been removed.